Do you know which is the biggest social network online right now? If you guessed Facebook, you are wrong. It's not Facebook, it's YouTube. Yes, YouTube has already outgrown Facebook and it's expanding the gap rapidly. YouTube is growing 200% faster than Facebook, and that's where all your buyers, all your customers are hanging out. From teenagers tuning in to beauty influencers and game streamers, music lovers digging rare records, moms looking for DIY videos, and dads looking for videos on how to get stuff done, YouTube is the one-stop shop for everybody. Have you seen Facebook recently? It's filled with endless debates, arguments, political posturing, and angry people who would complain rather than buy from you. People aren't on Facebook to talk to their friends and family anymore, and they certainly aren't doing any business on Facebook. To add to the tragedy, the rapidly dwindling Facebook visitor inventory is more expensive than ever because everyone is competing for it and raising up the prices. The ROI is just not there. That's why countless marketers like you have tried, failed, and given up on Facebook advertising because they could never make it profitable. Unlike Facebook, YouTube is the right place to be if you want to target hordes of real buyers. So here's a question. Are you ready to get high-quality buyer traffic, leads, and sales from YouTube for literally pennies? Yes, getting YouTube traffic is way more inexpensive than Facebook, especially if you follow the right marketing strategy. You can tap into traffic that is so targeted, it'll look tailor-made for your offers. You'll be blown away by the engagement, the buyer interest, and the conversions, whether it's leads you're looking for or sales. YouTube traffic can be the ultimate solution. Excited to get going? We are too. But like every good thing, there's a rider. A problem that you need to solve first before you can get this beautiful traffic. YouTube's targeting options are just not as powerful as Facebook. You see, Facebook knows everything about their users. Things like their age, race, income, political leanings, interests, educational level. Facebook knows it all down to which color shirt they are wearing today. YouTube is more passive, and it doesn't have all this data about people. So if you try to target YouTube users like you target Facebook users, you're going to fail. Your ads won't be targeted enough, and you just won't get the conversions you're supposed to get. But wait, there's an antidote to that. One perfect way of targeting that beats everything that even Facebook has to offer. It's placements. The one ad strategy on YouTube that beats everything else. It's the simplest concept ever. All you need to do is find the exact videos, the exact channels that the people in your niche are watching, and place your ads on them. If you're selling sports shoes, target shoe review videos. If you're selling pet products, target pet training and grooming videos. If you're trying to get leads to promote internet marketing products, target internet marketing learning videos. The narrower you go for your product or offer, the more successful you'll be. Go really narrow. Find the exact videos that your ideal buyers are watching, and you will land yourself a gold mine that will keep on feeding leads, sales, and commissions to you day after day, month after month, without a break. The big problem is, finding the perfect placements is really hard work. It's drudgery. Doing manual searches for your keywords, then going through each result trying to ascertain whether a video or channel is monetized or not. It's going to take hours and hours of work. Then you will need to copy each video or channel over, one by painstaking one, to Google Ads. If you want to run multiple campaigns or experiment like you do on Facebook, you just might go crazy. Even worse, you'll miss a lot of monetized videos, including the ones that could be the difference between taking home a big payday or going home with empty pockets. Disappointed? Think it's too much for you to take on with all your other responsibilities? All the work that you're already doing right now? Don't worry, it's time to get the sales flowing in without all the hassle. This is TubeTarget, a powerful new SaaS that will not only solve this problem, but also give you laser-aimed targeting capabilities to get you quality buyer traffic for literally pennies. Just put in any keyword, any niche, no matter how broad or how narrow, and TubeTarget will find you hundreds of monetized channels and thousands of monetized videos to target with your ads. No more endless hunting for monetized videos. It'll give you everything you need to know to find the best, the highest ROI yielding videos, including things like video age, views, likes, dislikes, and more. Not only that, you can quickly create campaigns, shortlist the videos and the channels you want, and then in one click, create a Google Ads compatible CSV file that you can import right into YouTube to have your super profitable campaigns up and running in minutes, not hours. And you will have perfect targeting, not just the people who could be interested in your niche because their demographics match, but the very people who are actively interested right now, ready to buy and willing to spend their money. Yes, because you've got them while their attention is focused on a video directly connected to your niche or product. They are not just a match, they are looking for what you're offering. Imagine that! Even Facebook can't give you that. Facebook can't find you the people who are interested in your product or service right now like YouTube does. That's why you're going to get more clicks for less and better conversions than you're used to with any other kind of traffic. Forget social media, forget blogging, forget Facebook ads, forget solo ad traffic. There is nothing as precise as TubeTarget's placement ads to get to your exact match audience with this little expense. You can do this day after day, week after week, month after month. Just keep tapping into the viewership and bringing fresh leads, fresh buyers to you forever. With TubeTarget, it's absolutely uncomplicated and easy. TubeTarget is the biggest innovation that makes YouTube ads marketing viable for smaller marketers who want to make every penny count. Get the ROI you've always deserved. Get TubeTarget and see how you can transform your business with the minimum investment of time, effort, and money on YouTube advertising. Act now and we'll not just give you the tool, we'll also give you the most important thing you need to ensure your fail-proof YouTube targeting success. The YouTube ads training that shows you everything. That's right, you get detailed video training that walks you through the scenarios, shows you how to run successful placement campaigns, and saves you from costly mistakes. This training will not only save you money, but also help you get better ROI faster. Coupled with TubeTarget, it's everything you need to get the highest quality buyer traffic like you've never even imagined. Don't wait a second longer. Grab your TubeTarget special deal and start your campaigns today. Your business deserves to capitalize on this powerful growth hacking platform right now before your competitors exploit it. And remember, your investment in TubeTarget is 100% safe. TubeTarget comes with a 30-day 100% refund guarantee. Get it, take it for a spin, run some campaigns, and watch the leads and sales flood in. If you don't get the results that absolutely delight you, just tell our support team within 30 days of your purchase. We will take back TubeTarget and refund 100% of your money without any hassles. If it doesn't get you the fantastic results you want, you don't pay a penny. Don't miss this offer. If you're here, it's very likely you've seen other products from us. You know we only make solid stuff, and we make sure it works well. Make us your Internet Tools partner and put your business on the fast track. Click on the button below and grab your TubeTarget right now.